What it do, YouTube? It's your boy 51 Loso. Just getting up. About to go out here to the cheesy Challenger, Keezy baby. Go out here and see what this Cold Star do with this Borla S stainless steel matte black quad exhaust. Just leaving my bro crib. Today is his birthday, so I got a few little surprises for him. Now, it's just me getting up. Got that Viper alarm. Gotta have a Viper alarm, you know what I'm saying? Got that from Best Buy. Shout out to my boy Doug. DB Customs. Check out the DB Customs. You ever come to Texarkana? That's the guy you want to holler at. That squad right there, get it done. And with this Viper alarm, I can be about, I think a mile or two. I can even start this hoe with my phone. But I'm going to stand back here and let you see the exhaust if you can. You can barely see it because it's so black. But watch this. In the coupe. I'm talking about. Oh, that's how you supposed to do it right there, buddy. Get in the coupe. Get in the Challenger. 51 Loso, you gotta fuck with me, man. Shout out to the whole Mopar world. That's how you supposed to do it, man. Got my tablet up there at the top. Ooh, you see the man over there looking. Ooh. Let me put it to you like this. Pioneer, N-Dash, I think it's JL audio, all in the speakers in the inside. Got the kicker competition in the trunk, kicker competition amp, kicker competition box. As you can see, I got my cameras up there, got the radar, got my speaker, part of my Viper alarm security. You know, I get all my audio done at Best Buy, nothing spiffy. You know, I ordered this tablet off of Amazon. I'm with Verizon, so pretty much, you know, I just use it for navigation, even though I can use it on my Pioneer. I like to keep my dash pretty much for my, as you can see, videos and shit. I love it. See, but like I said, that Borla system is a S-Class. I love it. Aftermarket, no mid muffler delete, none of that. You know what I'm saying? Just straight all the way through, from the engine to the back. You hear me? Just real shit. And I absolutely love it. Man, I don't know what to say, but I'm about to cut a corner. You hear me? It's nothing like hopping in a Challenger and then moving around the city. You know what I'm saying? So I'll get back with you again. Subscribe, follow, holler at your boy. I think I'm on, I'm not on Facebook a whole lot, but I'm on there as Ashton Martin. Of course, you'll see the wide body on my background. Probably see my Challenger and me in the main pic. You know, hey, just fuck with me. I have a lot of stuff I'm doing, a lot of mods I've already done on my car. Looking to get the 2021 super stock, Hellcat, wide body Charger. So just keep watching. Fuck with me.